Okay, so I lost the drone. I'm Peter, not your average guy. I'm in Georgia. The thing is that there is a big glacier out there. I think I'm gonna drive into that direction and see how far I can get. Look how incredibly beautiful this is, man. Woo! Look at that! I'm very happy that I rented a four-wheel drive. Even a cafe here. That's great. And the road is getting worse with big rocks. I might be at the end of how far I can get, but I can still not see the glacier. It's getting more difficult. Look at this. The road is not that bad at all up here, so if I can take the bump, I might be able to get here, and I have a better view on the glacier from there, so it's just a better spot over there, and I don't want to carry everything. Set up my glasses. I'm gonna position myself. This is not really for recording yet. You saw that magnetic field? Exiting GPS mode. There is nothing here. No electricity, no satellites, and things like that. So it's the Earth itself that's causing problems in this region. Transmission signal is weak, he says, which is kind of weird. Something like this, you know. Put the camera up even more. Something like this, And now I want to turn left and meanwhile put the camera down. It's going very fast. But maybe it's good. The timing is not really well. I want to be more above the stream, I guess. Like this. And then turn around like this and put the camera up. Oh, you can see the drone. Well, okay. Like this. Compass arrow. I'm gonna make the shot like this. No. Like this. Okay, turn it. Like that. Okay, do it. Yes, like this. And then end like here. Wow. It's still moving, but that is because of the compass error stuff. I think this is kind of the best that I can get in this strong wind, magnetic field and stuff. It's very difficult to make a shot like that, but I think this has to be it, because I also want to make another shot to the other side, like this. Turn it that side and then put the camera down. You can see the drone, so that's not so nice. I'm not gonna make that shot. Okay, so next thing what we wanted to do is look down, and then on the moon landscape, and then find the stream where it starts. Should be out here somewhere. Yeah, like this. And I think I have to look more into that direction and then put the camera up. And it's not bad that it goes very slow, but because you can, in editing, you can speed that up. I wanted to look more to the left, of course. So it should be like this. Okay, and then just put the camera down. Going a little bit faster to save some time. Like this. Pretty good. Alright, okay. What is there more to see and to film? It's my first glacier, guys. It is an absolutely stunning view. I have to make a picture. I have to make a picture like this. Stop recording. Change. And then I think it's good. Yep. I think it's good. Like, I want to make a photo to the other side as well. Okay, stand still, make a photo. Very good. I might want to go lower. I think that's nice too. Like this. You see? Like this photo. Very nice. Look the other way. Alright, I'm gonna fly back, and I want to have a photo. Okay, I will record what I'm doing. I want to have a photo with the stream also visible. So where is the stream? It's here. You see? But that's, I think I have to be back a lot. Yeah, like this. I think that's nice. Go lower. Like this, you see? And then put it up. Stop recording. Change the photo. Make a photo. Sweet. Very nice. I love it. Looking this direction. I want to make a photo too, like this. I can put the camera a little bit down, make a photo. Turn. Everything is beautiful here, man. Oh yeah, let's do it. Okay. What are we going to do? Maybe even go back more and just do the same thing. I want to record for you guys. Because just like this, it's also very nice. The drone does not stay in one position. I'll make a photo. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera up and see what we have. It's also stunning view, this. Like this. Incredible. Photo. Gee. Let's do that. Just record, please. You see a view like this, and then putting the camera down. It could go faster, but whatever. Stop. Awesome. 27% battery. Time to go home. Alright. I'm going back. This is the way we have to fly. Let's see. If I can make a pretty shot like this too. No, it's very difficult. Look how much it's turning, and even I think it exits as GPS mode. Exactly at this position, you know, at this line. Wow. Oh, I'm already almost over. Yeah. There's another car there. Yeah, I have to go down. Let's face another direction. I have to go into that direction. It's not in GPS mode anymore, which is weird. And that might mean that it's not giving a correct position of where I am. I think it got lost, so I'm looking down. I think it got lost. Aircraft disconnected. What the? Where is the stream? I have to fly it back visually. The stream is over there. Oh, and it disconnects. The stream is over here. And the road is over here. So I'm gonna land it somewhere. What? Okay, misschien, maybe because of the bushes. Maybe because it's over there.